7 for this exam 3 practice test. Okay, we're determined the standardized test statistic Z. Get this going. So we're wanting to find the Z value, and what we're setting up is to test a claim about a proportion that the population proportion is greater than 70%, and we're given that we've got a sample size of 50. We're given the sample proportion is 62%, and then we're told to use the 10% alpha. So how can we do this one? Well, this is going to be a proportion, and it's with a single sample. So we'll go down to doing, let's see how we can run this test, right? A test that we're doing with one proportion. Our null hypothesis, well, if p is greater than or equal, remember the equal is always going to be the null. So our calculator has p equal 0.7, 70%, and that makes the alternative the complement. So if the claim or the part with the equal is greater than or equal to, the alternative has to be the complement of that, the opposite of that. So it's going to have to be p is less than 70% when we run this test. Okay. Now they don't give us the number of successes, but they give us the proportion of successes, and they give us a sample size. So right in this box we are able to take, to do the calculation of 62% times 50, because if you multiply that, that will give you the number of successes. So 0.62 times 50. Sample size of 50 times the proportion of 62% gives us 31. Excuse me. And the sample size now is 50, and the level of significance they want us to use is 10%, so 0.10. Go to next. So notice it does give us the calculates the sample proportion here, 0.62, but that's not a field we could enter in. Maybe it'd be nice if it is, but here's our answer, negative 1.234, however many. They're only using 2 decimal places, so C is it. That's what we're looking at, right? The statistic, the test statistic, that's what it says right here, test statistics. That's what we're looking for. With these questions, sometimes they ask for different things. Just make sure you're providing the correct answer for what they're asking. So number 7 is C.